I think it has asthma.
Wonder, do you think that one's pregnant?
It has a penis.
Oh.
Okay, we think it's a stomach tumor.
Looks like this one has blood.
I'm not quick enough to get a picture of you. Get the side of his head.
More?
That's all I got. That's all I got. Now my hands are disgusting from that
Jase,
donkey.
go ask Gigi. I think Gigi has it.
Okay, I won't do it. Hi. You want some more?
I'm gonna.
I'll help you.
I'll give it back to you.
No big deal. I have like 10 bottles at home in the drawer.
Okay.
I think
the
I have
horse
3 in the
touched
car.
this.
Yeah, you ready?
This is smooth.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Ew, was that horse snot?
Yes. I'm gonna take it easy over there. You've already eaten more than every other animal here.